everyone, this is Elle. Welcome to CatTV's Cooking Eggs with Water. How do you cook eggs using water? Let's find out. Alright, here it is. We need pan, water, egg poacher, cups, butter. I have a butter container that I am using, basting brush, butter knife, eggs. Let's get started. Have filled the pan with water. And then put the egg poacher, the cups, alright, and put butter in the cups. After this, coat the cups with butter. Just a little bit of butter, just enough to coat the cups. Alright, just coat it well. And now coat the other cup with butter. Coat it well so that the egg will not stick to the cup. Break the eggs. Alright, we got 1 egg in each cup. Okay, cover the pan. Alright, getting ready. Turn on the heat. And then wait for 5 minutes to cook the eggs. Alright, it is now 5 minutes and the cooking is done. Alright, using the scissor tongue, take the eggs from the egg poacher. Alright, so I'm done cooking eggs using water.